In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to potentially access TradingView premium features at no cost or reduced expense in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, having access to advanced charting tools can greatly enhance your trading insights. Fortunately, there are several strategies to get these benefits without breaking the bank, and I'm here to guide you through them. One of the simplest ways to experience TradingView's premium features is through their free trials. TradingView often provides these trials for their premium plans, which include Essential, Plus, and Premium options. Typically, these trials can last either 7 or 30 days, offering a risk-free opportunity to test out premium features. It's a great way to explore what TradingView has to offer before committing to a purchase. Just remember to cancel before the trial ends if you decide it's not for you, to avoid any charges. Another option to consider is broker partnerships. Certain brokers provide free access to TradingView's premium features, allowing you to take advantage of these tools as part of their service offerings. For example, Black Bull Markets offers reimbursement for the cost of premium features if you open a live account and trade a required monthly volume, such as 10 FX or metal lots. It's an advantage if you're already planning to trade actively. NinjaTrader goes a step further by including free access to TradingView software when you open a live account with them. This seamless integration can be a convenient choice if you're looking to consolidate your trading platforms. Similarly, Fires offers a trading panel that contains features comparable to those found in TradingView Premium. For those who prefer familiarity, FXCM stands out by offering 1-year premium access specifically for Forex traders who sign up with them, making it an attractive offer for anyone focused on currency trading. Upstocks provides another alternative by offering free TradingView charts that come with premium features for account holders, further broadening the options available to you. If none of these options align with your needs, or if you're just testing the waters, you can always begin with TradingView's basic free version. All you need to do is sign up with your email and a password. While there are limitations, such as having only one chart per tab and a maximum of 2 indicators per chart, it's still a valuable tool for casual traders or those who are beginning their trading journey. In summary, there are numerous opportunities for accessing TradingView's premium features without paying full price. From exploring free trials to leveraging broker partnerships, there's a solution out there to match nearly every trading style and preference. So, take your time, explore these options, and choose the one that best suits your trading strategy. Happy trading!